Hi, this is Alex with Tresseo, and today we're going to cover subdomains. Subdomains are incredibly useful for various reasons. They can be useful for testing and development, keeping your experimental work separate from your main website. And like all features in DirectAdmin, everything can be done very easy. Simply click on Add Subdomain. A pop-up box should appear, and I'm going to choose Tresseo as the subdomain name. Now, we're going to see an option to select the root directory. This determines where the subdomain's website files will be stored within your hosting file structure. Adjusting the root directory is typically for advanced users with specific needs. So I'm going to stick with the default, and for beginners, I'd recommend the same. I'm going to wait a few moments for the subdomain to set up. And you can create as many levels of subdomains as you want. For example, I'm going to set up a new one, and I'm going to call this ca.tresseo.example.com. And as I mentioned, each subdomain is set up as a unique folder named after your new subdomain, and you can now upload to these specific folders via FTP or via the built-in file manager, or set up an application in Softaculous to use these subdomains. And if you need to remove a subdomain, just check the box next to it and click Delete. When deleting, ensure that you check the Remove Directory Content checkbox. Otherwise, the files will remain intact while the subdomain will stop functioning. And of course, remember to update your SSL certificate to include the new subdomains as you add them. And there you have it. Setting up subdomains is very easy. In other videos, I'll show you how subdomains can be used. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials, not just about DirectAdmin, but useful information for all website owners. Until next time, happy hosting.